The Black History Month serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience, achievements, and contributions of Africans and people of African descent worldwide. The celebration in Ghana, deeply connected to the African diaspora, highlights the country's historical significance as a homeland for many in the diaspora seeking to reconnect with their roots. Neville Buchanan, secretary of the Marcus Garvey Foundation, speaking with Kasi News, emphasized the importance of such celebrations in preserving history, fostering unity, and inspiring future generations.
The Black History Month had its origins in America. In America, they have it in February, but they also have it in the UK, where they have it in October. So as he's been an African American, he celebrates it in February, which is fine. Yes. So the aim of the objective of the month is to highlight Black achievement in history and also currently. For example, at the moment, everyone is thinking about Maxwell Chilumba, is it from Zimbabwe, who has invented this car that's supposed to be able to operate without fuel and operate off microwaves and so on and so forth. So it proves that Black people are always inventing, reinventing, coming up with new ideas, and this is what we're here celebrating today. The innovation and inventors. This is the title of this program for this year.
The inclusion of cultural displays, inventions, and historical exhibitions underscores the rich heritage and identity of Africans, especially Ghanaians. Events like this not only honor the past, but also strengthen the bond between Africa and its global diaspora. Yazid Mohammed is the lead for the event.
Since I've been living in Ghana, I've been organizing programs like this that target the youth. I moved to Ghana with my mother, Brenda Krima Mohammed. She's now deceased, buried in Mafi Kumasi. But she had a vision of doing programs that targeted the youth. And I began to target specific days and dates. So I first started using African Unity Day before I moved to Kwanzaa and essentially Black History Month. Black History Month is a big part of, let's say, giving me self-esteem as a young person growing up, young Black person growing up in the United States. And living in Ghana, I saw that I think it could be impactful for a lot of young youth in Ghana. So once I started my family, I began organizing these programs even more, and I would say with more passion, so that my children would get it, and not just my children, but the children in the community as well. Describe Africa as a whole in this point with two words. I would say a powerful transition. That transition being in taking control over human resources, natural resources, and erasing away colonial